Why does your scanner show the P240C engine code? What does it mean? P240C is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system, leak detection, pump heater control circuit high. The P240C engine code indicate your vehicle's computer is receiving an implausible signal or a communication error from the transmission or selector lever. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective gear selector module, wiring and connector damage, moisture or water ingress, faulty conductor plate or valve body, faulty leak detection pump, EVAP. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Volkswagen, Ford, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.